Coming close, I have a secret to tell you that I probably shouldn't be telling you. I used Final Cut Pro for free for over 8 years to build content for our brands.
Branded like a pro, presented by I Inspire Pro, your branding and content creation agency.
And for other people's brands using this hack. Hi, my name is Donielle Boateng, and I help content creators with one of the biggest pain points we all have, editing. And in this video, I will be breaking down in 3 simple steps how you can have this powerful editing software for free. All right, let's get into it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Final Cut, and if you've had Final Cut Pro trial before, and when you go to open it, it says this, your Final Cut Pro trial has expired, and to purchase it. Don't do that yet if you don't have the budget. We're gonna quit this, close it out. So the first step, we're actually gonna go to our applications, wherever you have that in Finder, and we're gonna go to Final Cut. Of course, I have the full version now, but you're gonna go to Final Cut and you're gonna note this modified date right here. Mine is showing Thursday, February 5th, 2021. This is when I first downloaded the program and the trial itself and started my 90-day trial. So let's keep note of that. Now what we're gonna do is go into your system settings here, and we're going to go into date time. It's in different locations depending on the version that you're currently using. Mine's specific version is in Ventura, so date and time is here. But the other option is if you can't find it, you can always do the search bar for date and time, and they'll come up here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna uncheck set time and date automatically. Next, it's going to prompt you to enter in your computer's password, as this is a system change and it needs approval. All right, so now we've unlocked it. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the date here. And don't worry, we're going to change all this stuff back before we open up the program. Again, the date that we had here, we're going to go ahead from the modified date. We're going to go ahead and go to set. So I'm going to put in just a couple days after. So I'm going to say since this is 25th, let's put the 28th, 2021. As long as it's within that 90-day period, you're fine. So we have the time set for 2/28/2021, which is after the date modified that's showing here in Finder. So now we're going to open up Final Cut Pro, and don't worry, we're going to change that time back in just 1 minute. So the next step, this window will pop up from Final Cut Pro saying, hey, we have 88 days before the trial expires. But stop. This next step is extremely critical that you follow before you click OK to open the program. But before I get into that, I just wanted to quickly share with you that I have a editing made easy guide that is totally free for you that can help anyone, no matter what experience level you find yourself at in your editing journey, that can help take your content to the next level. In this guide, I provide editing tips and tricks that I've personally used to make content for companies like Complex, Billboard, Think Media, high earning influencers, and so many more. I even share the plugin needed to quick and easily create text effects like this. Click the link below in the description to get your copy now, and be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Now for the last but oh so critical step. Before you hit OK, you're going to want to come back over, and you might notice there are different things popping up, like warning you that you're having issues with connecting. Don't worry, it's all tied to the timing, but we're going to fix that. Before you hit this OK button, I want you to go back into the date and time and turn this back on to have the computer set the time and date automatically. This puts your clock back on the right date and timing. And now we can hit OK, and voila, we're in. If you're a beginner or just want a refresher on the basics of Final Cut, be sure to check out my Final Cut Pro tutorial on how to start for beginners. Peace.